Hi friend. So after learning about XPath, now we will see how to write an XPath and what all things we should know and what are the things which we have to consider before writing the XPath. So there are a lot of functions in XPath and like the syntax, what are the syntax we should follow. So the very first thing is like single forward slash, double forward slash, how the XPath starts. And then there are a lot of XPath functions like uh, what is the like formula of writing an XPath, then relative XPath using access and relative XPath without using access. So how can we write all these kind of like what are these things and how we will write, so that we will see here. Now the first question comes in mind: what is the difference between single forward slash and double forward slash? Like we can start writing XPath using single forward slash or double forward slash. So the difference between single forward slash and double forward slash, you can understand it like this way, that single forward slash is like coming down step by step, one by one. So this makes your XPath performance like very slow. So basically it is something like in if in real time, if you see, so your DOM starts from here. How I got that, like I just did right click and clicked on inspect, so this opened. And now if we have to, let's say if we have to reach to this div, so if we use single forward slash, then we will have to come one by one, like HTML, then single forward slash head, like single forward slash HTML, then head, then body, like that way we will have to come like body div a. So accordingly that we will have to follow the syntax. So basically like one by one, one step at a time we will have to come. So that is where it takes a lot of time and it reduces like performance. There's a lot of performance issue. Second is double forward slash. Double forward slash is like, okay, as soon as you write double forward slash, and after that if you write anything, that will directly jump to that particular element. So if here if we would have written double forward slash div, then directly it will jump to that first div in the DOM. If double forward slash header, then directly it will jump to header. It will not go like body, then div, then header, not like that. If we would have used single forward slash, then it will come like body, then header, then div. I will show you with the real-time example like how we write that. So first, I hope like you understood that single forward slash is coming step by step, one by one. Double forward slash I directly coming to that particular node, particular element. Then XPath syntax and functions. So here I have noted down just like very standard syntax: single forward slash tag name, then double forward slash tag name at the rate attribute name is equal to attribute value. There are different functions which makes to write XPath more robust and unique, like and or functions we can use. Like in programming we all have that. I mean, in every programming language we have and function or functions. So similarly, like in XPath as well, we have and or functions. There's another good functions like text, normalize space, dot. So all the uses of all these functions we will see. Index, we can use the index, position, last, and there are like many functions there to write the XPath. And these all functions are really useful when we have to write the robust and unique XPath. Okay, so we have seen the here all the functions and difference between single forward slash and double forward slash. That's what we have learned. In the next lecture, before like writing XPath, we need to understand that what is the right platform to write and verify XPath. That we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.